Hi, this is Jason West, and today I have a huge announcement. Really big. Actually, it's probably the biggest announcement I've ever made on my channel, bar none. So, I want to tell you a little bit about what's been happening with me in the background of all of these videos and all of the training and all of the stuff that I do. What's been going on in the background? Well, in the background, basically, I have been building up and building and getting ready fastfunnels.com. And fastfunnels.com was actually released a couple of weeks ago, but it was done so, if I'm honest with you, a little bit reluctantly and half-heartedly. And if you don't know, Fast Funnels is basically going to be a store where you can buy funnel templates for Kartra, ClickFunnels, some ManyChat automations and things like that, and then also Convertri, which is another platform too, which is growing. So my business ultimately would have been based around other platforms and then building templates for those platforms. And up until now, obviously with the Kartra templates that I've been making over the last, but actually since last November was the first one I released, they've been going, really well, and they've helped a lot of entrepreneurs, which was very, very important to me that they produce results. They really help people shortcut the time frame, to be able to launch their products and services and sell them effectively. So the whole concept came from that, really. Okay, I'm doing really well, in designing and helping people with their Kartra funnels. Okay, who else can we help? Let's go down the ClickFunnels route too, because I've used ClickFunnels extensively. Not a great fan of the platform at all, if I'm honest with you. And in fact, I started to build all of my funnels that were built in Kartra in ClickFunnels, and my heart was not in it. My heart was not in it, and it's so important in business to have the passion and the heart behind what you're doing. And anyway, so that's what's been going on in the background. However, in this time after I had launched funnels, I'd spent a lot of fast funnels. I'd spent a lot of time putting the site together with Shopify because I needed to be able to have a shopping cart where people can add multiple funnels to the basket and then check out, having bought them all, which you can't do with Kartra. So that's why I launched the store on the Shopify platform. I was looking at WordPress, but was totally put off by WordPress. I've used it extensively in the past, but it constantly needs updating. Plugins go out all the time. You make a change to something, and I wouldn't know how to fix it if it broke the site. And that's exactly what happened to me. I actually started to build out the site Fast Funnels on WordPress, and I updated a plugin, and it just suddenly made the site ruined. And I don't have the expertise and the coding knowledge to be able to go in there and mess around trying to fix things like that. I don't like that. That's actually why I really do like Kartra so much, because I'm able to do it myself. However, in the time that I launched Fast Funnels and I started to begin these building these other funnels on ClickFunnels platform and looking at the other systems and how I can get my funnels done on those too to start selling them to those customers, I was contacted by a very talented guy who has contacted me in the past, but I hadn't really paid much attention. Contacted me again, and he is a very talented designer, and he works very closely with another gentleman who's a very talented programmer, and they have built a very, very, very cool funnel building platform and a website building platform. Now, I've been testing it thoroughly over the last 2 weeks, and I have been so impressed, and I can see so many advantages, and I'm able to put in so much more input into shaping the software and how it's used and how it can help people like you, that I have actually decided to go 100% over to my own platform. Now, that was always my dream. However, I knew what it would take to do that. We're talking thousands and thousands of hours of programming time. I'm not a programmer. I have built software in the past, and I have built website building software in the past very successfully using Russian programmers, actually, who were incredible. However, I know the work that's involved. I know the expense that's involved. So working with another couple of guys who have done a huge amount of the work already has been a great move. So without any more hesitation, let me show you what's been going on. So fastfunnels.com is now a fully fledged website and funnel building platform that you can use with a ton of advantages over all of the competitors, with more coming. I absolutely love the system. It's incredible, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of it now, and then perhaps you'll see what attracted me to it and why I've decided to go all in and have Fast Funnels working on this platform to make it exactly what we all need. So let me just take you to the back end of this system. So here I am once you're logged in to Fast Funnels, and we have our sort of overview here, and we can have administrators on the account. There's billing, you've got an affiliate system as well, and then your account here. But the big deal is this platform can build websites so quickly and so beautifully, and funnels with a great funnel building system, that it just cannot be ignored. It is amazing. So I'm going to tell you a whole host of benefits over this system that I really, really love. So here I am in the actual builder. So, you know, if you're familiar with using ClickFunnels, Kartra, or any of those guys, you're going to be able to use this very, very quickly and easily. As you can see, it's just the same kind of deal. You know, you can move stuff around like this. You can change text. You can do whatever it is you want to with this system. It's super fast. So it doesn't matter how long your page is, you are going to be able to build and build and build and build, and the page will load really, really fast. It's got countdown timers. It's got all of this stuff. So there is an amazing website builder. But what's really cool is this. So if we go to the dashboard, we'll just put discard here. It's the whole getting started with this. So if I go up to here where it says my websites and funnels, so note we have websites and funnels with this system together. You can have a full website, and then when somebody just clicks on a particular button or link, they are led straight into a funnel, a proper funnel. So let's just take a look at the website here. So I'm just going to click this button here, create new website. And let's just take a look now at the massive amount of help and that you've got to get going straight away. So here you are, look at all these websites, look at all these niches here, and you can just pick one of these and just get to work with it straight away. So let's take this one here. This looks really, really nice. This is like a membership website. So I'm just going to click view. You can take a look at all of these themes straight from the off. They look absolutely stunning, really, really high quality. They've got multiple pages here. Look at all these different pages and things. You've got like course dashboard. You've got your actual course area. And I'll get onto all of this. And this is just a big overview here. You can see they look fantastic on, you know, a mobile phone. And then you can literally just press start with this theme. Let's name it and let's call it my course. And then submit. We're going to choose our brand colors. So let's just say that I'm going to go crazy and let's just go with some pink. Okay. Let's go right up there. There we go. That's our brand color. We can add a logo at this point as well. If we wanted to, we can just dump a logo straight in, or we can just go straight to the site. So straight away now, we have got this site in our colors. There they are. Look, nice pink color that we chose. All the buttons are all done for you. And then it is really just a case of adjusting this to say whatever you want and have the right pictures in. So amazing system. So, there we are. So just the same kind of deal. Save changes, done. It is so simple. I'm very, very fussy with page building platforms and page builder software. You know, if it's buggy or it just doesn't work or there's niggles, I can't stand it. But what I found with this system, it is breathtakingly simple, but extremely powerful. Now going back to this is the full website here. If we just click on pages, you can see all of our pages of our site are all nicely laid out down here on the left hand side. Look at these. I mean, here's the courses list here, for example. You know, what a stunning looking page that's been designed there straight away. And there's some other big advantages that I'm going to run through with this system that I think are going to blow you away. FastFunnels has a central image and file video storage place. So if we go to the website settings right here, we've got File Manager, and we can view all of our files in one place. So no more uploading here, and then you can't see them over there and everything else. So you can even create folders to separate all of your images up. And when you upload an image, it is going to be compressed and optimized automatically for you, so that when you do have it on your website, not only does it load faster, but you don't burn through bandwidth either. So it is automatically compressed to make those web pages load fast, which costs conversions. A slow web page is no good at all. It has to be quick. So you can upload full files, you can upload videos, everything that you want directly into this central area. So that is something that really impressed me. I love it, and that's why I'm using it. So next thing, global styling. How quick can we just change the whole look of this entire site? Well, the answer is very quick. So here we can choose all of the fonts for our whole site. So at the moment you can see that we're using heading 1. And what about if we want to choose something different? Let's just say that we want to go to this one here, this Sergo. Okay, we press confirm, done. All of the references to heading 1 and this entire site is now changed in one hit. And you can do the same for every different type of font. You can choose colors for different things if you want to. Obviously, I'm making these horrendous right now. And we can choose all of the different fonts right the way through. We can underline links. We can do anything we want. And then when we're finished, we can click confirm and it is done across the whole website. And then what about if you want some other fonts? No problem. You've got every single Google font right here that you can just add in. Let's just say that we want this Questrial here. Done. It's available to us now. We can just do anything with that at all. Other cool things, the color palette. We know that we've chosen this as our primary, but what about if we don't want that color anymore? We just want to have that main color. Oh look, every single button, every element of this that has color has now changed to yours. And then also we have the ability to have secondary colors at our disposal for doing any other different types of changes. We can change the background color on the main page, the text color, in seconds. The website layout, do we want it full width or do we prefer it as boxed? Box just brings it right in like that, done. Whichever design that you want. Maybe we also want a nice background for the rest of the page like this. Done. It's super, super simple. We can get more backgrounds as well. So we've got a multitude of options to quickly change the site because it's about speed. That's why we're called FastFunnels. It's about speed, speed of implementation for people like you entrepreneurs who need to be able to quickly put together a super professional site to sell your products and services. So I absolutely love, and as you can see, we've got buttons coming as well, so any button at all, and also form elements too. The next thing that I love is the fact that we have funnels. If we go to the dashboard here, so let's go to the builder, sorry. There we are. We have our websites and our funnels all in one place. And we can quickly create a new funnel that we can link to. So let me just pick one here. Look at these funnels. These are super powerful funnels. We've got lead generation funnels, you know, classic ebook download funnels, all of that stuff, coupons, webinar registration pages, all ready to go, opt-ins. We've got home pages even as well, homepage landing pages. And as I say, coupons here. But let's take a really nice opt-in or a lead magnet for an example here. So let's take this page here. Let's just look at that there. You can see, you can preview it too if you want to take a look at it, see what it looks like on all of the different platforms, mobile and so on. So I'm just going to take this and I've selected to use this. I'm going to call this now my ebook and then save it. And there it is. Same system, same everything. You can just choose now to edit this up, get this looking exactly the way that you want. And then you can see the pages of the funnel there. But what's really cool, if we click on the funnel icon, we now have full statistics available to you for you to be able to see how many people are opting in, how many people hit the thank you page, and what your goal is, who's reaching that goal of the thank you page, the percentage of people in seconds. It's all here. We have full analytics. How many people have visited the page? How many reached the goal? We can see all of our sales for this particular funnel right here. We can see all of the orders and who's ordered right here. We can see the products that we have in our funnel and put them right here. We've got upsells and downsells, everything all in the same place with simple statistics. So you can see the upsell revenue, the downsell revenue, it's all here. And the other cool thing is, you want to share this funnel with someone, just click this link here, share this funnel, and anyone with this link can then create a copy of your funnel. And you can even share with an affiliate link, so if they sign up to our platform and use your funnel, guess who gets some commission? And then we can view this funnel right now if we want to in a new tab, so we can see what it looks like. So, unbelievable system. But as I say, what's really cool is it's right there with your websites. Everything's in one place. Go ahead, create more funnels. Different plans have more funnels. And you can put each one of these funnels on a custom domain name. If we go to the settings right here for this particular funnel, we can see here there's domains. So we can add this funnel to any individual domain. It does not have to all be on the one domain. If you want to add 5 funnels, have 5 domains and link them all to the funnel. It's no problem. Unbelievably powerful. So websites and funnels all in one place. I love it. Personalization. What if we want to welcome someone back to our website who has visited before? So we've got personalization, and that's a very important feature. If we go to funnel settings here, let me see if I can just get that up. We can add, we can also add code across all of the pages, very easy as well. But yeah, basically we can personalize any particular page or any particular funnel with the person's name. Here we go. These are the personalization things. So for example, a member who signs into a membership area, because yes, we have a full membership area too. Anybody who comes in will be welcomed by their first name on the page, you know, so like, welcome David, thanks for returning to the membership, welcome back. Things like that, really powerful, really, really good. And you could also create more personalization tags and put them on any page you want at all. So I love the personalization. Also with a membership area, it is fully customizable. So if you want to have your own design and everything else, let me just go to another funnel, or let's go to the dashboard here. So we come out of there. We'll go to, say, this one here. This is my course. Let's have a look at this funnel here. And we'll go to the pages on the left-hand side. There we are. So the pages of this funnel, there we are, pages, there we go. So there's the course dashboard, here's the course. So we're into the main course area here. This is completely customizable, just as it would be any other page. So no longer are you restricted to a particular design of a membership area, because that's what you've got and you can just about change the colors. This is every bit as customizable as any other part of the website. If you want to go and change the background colors for this particular thing, you can do. You know, anything that you want to do, this particular block here, if you want to change the background color for this block, let's just change it. It's all there, it's free. It's freely available for you to be able to customize and really match it to your brand, which is so important. We've got video hosting, so you can put in all your own videos, or you can just go and put YouTube videos in. This is 100% customizable, and the menu is carried across on all pages. So there's no longer any issue with that. So a fantastic membership system that's completely customizable. Next thing, going back to the actual websites and the funnels for that matter, if you want to have the navigation on your pages, which you will for a website generally, such as these at the top, that's it. These run across the whole website, no problem. Just change it on any page and it will change on all pages automatically. And if you're doing a landing page, for example, One click of a button removes the header, and the same for the footer. So it becomes a landing page like that, where we don't have distractions from having all of these different navigational exit points. So that's really, really cool too. Split testing, I didn't touch on that. Wow. Well, let's have a look on a funnel here. Let's just go to this lead gen funnel. Split testing is just 100%. It's dead easy. You literally just click on A/B test. You duplicate this page or create a new one, make your changes. It's now going to put the traffic through those two splits and then tell you which one's working best. You've got full control over how the win is selected. Is it manual? Is it automatic? When are we going to decide when a winner is there? How much traffic? Press save, done, the end. That is split testing done for you. Very powerful. Next thing, we've got the ability to create and actually connect with multiple domains. Now we've got a variety of plans, which I'm going to show you in a minute, but every single website that you get with a plan and every single funnel that you get with a plan, you can connect to a domain on its own. No restrictions. So it's not going to cost you a fortune if you want to add more domains. And in fact, on our Pro plan, what's crazy is that you get unlimited funnels. Unlimited funnels that you can put on their own domain, that you can issue to a customer, that can have their own Stripe accounts connected up to them, their own admin connected up to them, at no extra cost to you. It is just the cost of the Pro plan. Amazing for agencies. Incredible. A game changer. Next up, and they don't have to, of course, then ultimately, they don't have to sign up to the platform. They just get access to the funnel. The next thing, very, very simple, straightforward and easy to go and add in all of your analytics code or any custom code. Just here in the head, custom CSS, custom body markup if you want to put code in the body, and then also just page only. If you just want to do one particular page of your site, no problem. You can do that just there too. Another thing, this is also absolutely incredible, is that the forms that you get with this are very, very powerful. You have a full form building area here in this area, engage. So any form you want can be on your website, and when somebody fills out that form, it will come straight into here. Very powerful, but you get to choose what is in that form. So if we take a form here, let me just go to perhaps a funnel, and we just get, I think one of these here has a, let me just go to my lead funnel, the landing page. Well, I'm going to go to one right now that has a form, and I can show you how cool it is. You can add in such a lot of different things. So the ebook, there we go. So this one has a form, and if we want to edit this form, and by the way, when somebody fills this out, yes, you will get the entire contents emailed straight to you or other people, whoever you want. But if we go to edit fields, at the moment you can see we've got name, email. An irritation that you get with a lot of companies is that you can't make these, you can't move these around. So with these, look, you can shuffle them and everything else, but you can also have the horizontal layout of forms. So if you want to have side-by-side form fields, you can do that. So you can have a nice long thin one as well if you want to. We can shrink them down. You know, if we shrink these two down, now look, they're side by side. If we want to go and add in all of these different things here, and perhaps one of the most valuable is this, the Google reCAPTCHA. No longer are you going to be getting spam form fills. We've got the reCAPTCHA system on there now. Name, email, phone, whatever you want to do. You want to add more data in there. You want to start asking them different things. No problem. You want to adjust the look, the labels, the colors of everything. It's all doable right here. And no, constantly saving. Just press save once. Done. Everything you've done. You don't have to keep, using your mouse constantly and wearing your finger out. That's it. So the form builder is amazing. And everything will go straight into here, into Engage, where you're going to be able to see all of your leads download. Very, very shortly, we're going to be having Zapier. Next month, Zapier, so you can put this wherever you want right now. We're integrated with ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, MailerLite, and Stripe and PayPal. There is fantastic connection right now. But very soon, next month, Zapier, a load more connections, and also, very importantly and very exciting, a full inbuilt email marketing system already in this platform. So that's that. The next thing, we've done the share funnels. Also, this is the big one. This system has a full blog, a full, very good blog. So if I go to a website, let's just click on here and we'll go to websites and we'll open our website up. I want to put a blog on here. In fact, there is one on this one already. If I click on it, it'll take me straight to the blog system, which is right here. And you can see we've got 3 blogs on there. Now, what about if we want to edit the way the whole blog looks on our site? That is easy done, easy done. So here's a block on the header there. And then you can choose what goes down this right-hand column. We can see, we can adjust everything. We can make that blog look exactly how we want to. And then adding posts, dead simple. Click add post, type your blog title, type in your summary, type in everything else. This is the full system too. So if you want to add images in here, you want to start dragging over different things to make a beautiful blog post, dead easy. You want to add in your featured image, no problem at all. You can add galleries, videos, quotes, everything, all in this blog. And then when you're done, you can click update. You need to choose categories. You've got all of the categories that you want right here. Just type them in. And then you have that category available for your blog. You want to add tags for a particular blog post? No problem. Just add them in. You can control the post URL for SEO. And you can also do the post author and the post date too. So it is a proper blog, I'll update that now. And let's actually go to a blog. So if we go to Fast Funnels, in fact, let me go down to the bottom here. Here's our blog. Built in, latest news, they'll all be displayed beautifully on the page. And then just click read more. And there we are, a proper, fully fledged blog post in here with commenting, with tagging, everything that you want right there. So no longer do you have to try and bolt on a blog to your website, which is very annoying. It means having WordPress. It means having to mess around and build up SEO for a totally separate site, because if it's on a subdomain, that's a separate site in the eyes of Google. You've got to start doing SEO and everything on that site too. But if you've got it all on your own website, you know, with great URLs. So if I just pull this down here, you can see we've got /blog, build your, you've got full control over this URL. Awesome for SEO. And I know what you're thinking is, can you control the meta titles and everything of your blog post? Absolutely. Absolutely. And here's another blog post, just to give you an example with a featured image there. You've got share icons, everything. So a fully fledged blogging system, totally accessible, all within this same platform. Beautiful, works a treat. So that's really cool. Another thing that we have is upsells, downsells. If we go to funnels here, you'll see here, if we go to perhaps this funnel here, we have a very cool little button right here. After they've checked out with their first product, well, we want to add an upsell. So you just literally click add upsell. You can do it via a pop-up, or you can do it via a full page. And then, of course, you can use one of the templates here to build your upsell page. So if we go to, you can even pick an existing page that you've already made. So you don't have to keep starting again. If we go to this one, we choose a product. Let's just say we are going to pick, it doesn't really matter what page it is, because I'm just going to pick this one here. This is our upsell page. So I'll type in upsell and then add that like so. I'll make this page perfect and done. And then if we go back to our funnel, and now we can see there's the upsell. And then if we want to, we can add another upsell, or a downsell. It's entirely up to us. We've got that capability, and we're going to see the stats as people run through. And then on the checkout itself, if we edit the checkout page, we have two-step checkout with this platform. A genuine two-step where someone's going to enter their name and email address, and then that is it. They go through to the next stage. We can do that with this platform, so we can capture those details all importantly and then close them down if they do not go on to buy. So here is the system right here. This is the checkout, but we can also add order bumps as well. So let's have a look at the settings here. You can allow discounts, so we can do coupons, we can do subscriptions, we can ask for more data, less data. We can do all of that. So this is a really, really cool system here. If we go to products here, you can see bump offers. Just click edit, add a bump, and it's really as simple as that. Bump title, bump description. You can show an image or a badge text with a shadow. We have to choose a product for our actual bump. So just up here where it says select, I'm going to choose this theme here. Click save. And then now we have a bump. It's as simple as that. And there you go. That will now be added on. So this is the powerful, platform that we have right here in front of us. You can see why I wanted to change this. And I haven't told you all of it yet. So we've got A/B split testing. We've got upsells, downsells, all of that stuff. Very, very simply done. Subscriptions, unlimited subscriptions, a two-step checkout. But guess what else we have? Full e-commerce store facility. You see, this button here, this link up here, let's just discard this, is your store. So I'm going to activate my store. I can sell unlimited physical products depending on which platform I'm on. I can choose all my payment methods, but I can add products. These can be digital products. These can be services. These can be a pair of socks, your merchandise. It doesn't matter. We can add more categories, just like you could, with any kind of thing. So let's just put that, just for the crack there, let's just put socks, done. New category is made. But if we look at this, we don't have any products. Let's click add product. Is this a physical product, a digital product, a service, membership? What is it? So let's say it's a physical product. And now we're going to be able to just put in our title here, some amazing socks. We've got the ability to go and add in, all kinds of different things. Look at this page builder system here. Let's just drag it over here. And now we can add in icons and things. We can build up a really incredible product listing if we want to. Add in the price. Let's just say $12. And then whether or not we have to put in stock. If we only got 10 pairs of socks, great. Have we got a stock keeping unit, SKU? Is this a subscription product? Yes or no? Do we show them a custom thank you page if they buy this product? I.e., do we send them to a funnel? Very powerful. And then which categories is this in? Well, that is in socks, so we'll confirm that. And if we got any variations, could they have a size 9 sock or a size 5 sock? We can put that in there as well. So we can just put in there, color, and let's just put in red, and then we'll just put in blue. Okay. Done. That's our variations. And then when we're happy, we can put a picture in there as well from our central images database. And then we'll just click save, and that is our product done and ready and available to put into a store. And of course, if you're going to do a store, wouldn't it be nice if you can also control or go and get yourself a full store to display? Or even on your existing website, which is here, what about if you wanted to add a store? Well, that is very, very simple to do. So if we go to here where it says pages, you can see we've got everything separated out here, a blog, we've got membership purchase and everything else. We can create a dedicated page just here. And we can actually pick a really nice layout that would be good for a store. So, and then with the website themes here, let me just go to this part here, website. We can create a website. Let's just click yes. And we can find a nice store template, a full store template. There's online store. And as you can see, we've got like e-commerce store facility here. Let's take this one here, the sunglasses. That looks a really nice e-commerce store. Let's just click start with this theme. And then again, you can choose the brand colors. go to my site, and then we've got the ability now to just go and have a little look at this site live. Look at this. We want to just add this product to the cart. Done. In fact, if I open it in a new tab, you can see there it is. The shopping basket is right there. We want to do this. Oh, that one's sold out. No problem. This one isn't. We want 3 of these. Done. And we can go to the checkout, and we've got our beautiful classic fast running checkout for people. And then there it is. Stunning. So no longer do you need like Shopify bolted on, because this has a full e-commerce platform all built in for you. We can have one product, or you can have lots of products. You can choose the shipping method. You can do all of the stuff that you would expect to do. Taxes, the different payments that we're built in with, as you can see, as PayPal. Look at them all. There's loads, and there's more being added to in the next month or so, where there's going to be more integrations going. So you can see why I'm very passionate about this new platform, and why I've made this huge decision to start focusing my energy, time, and effort on making this platform incredible for you. For a start, I'm going to be adding new themes to this platform, new templates and funnels weekly. So this becomes better and better without the cost of the subscription going up. Now, what is the subscription cost? Frankly, it is probably the best platform cost-wise for what you're getting there is on the market right now. So if we go to pricing, look at the pricing of our platform. So this is yearly, which I highly encourage you to do if you wanted to do this. And by the way, you can start with a free trial and just go in and start building and enjoying it. And then when you need help, there's also down here a full knowledge base too. So with every little part of the system, all done, like how to connect your domain, with website settings, we've got videos, everything has got SSL certificates, by the way, too. But let's go back to the pricing. Look at this pricing. On our standard plan, $29 a month gets you a full website and 5 funnels, and also the ability to connect a domain to each one of those, the funnels and the website. You're getting 10 gigabytes of storage, which is more than enough for most people, 50 gig of bandwidth, which would be hard pushed to burn through, 2 website admins, so maybe you want to give someone else a login, and up to 100 products in your store. So that's this one. You're going to get no transaction fees or anything weird added on top of that. Then this one, the most popular one, the Pro plan, 3 full websites, 30 funnels, and 33 domains that you can connect to those. So very, very good deal at $59. 100 gig of storage, 120 gigabytes of bandwidth, more than most people will ever need, and 5 admins. Unlimited products. If you want to open a big e-commerce store, you can. And unlimited members of your membership areas. So a fantastic deal. And then this one, the advanced plan, $179 a month, equivalent if you're paying yearly. 10 full websites come with that. And unlimited funnels and unlimited domains that you can all give access to clients. So you can buy this subscription and make funnel after funnel after funnel for your clients, and just set them up with an administration for that funnel. And then it's going to be on their domain, their Stripe details. So as a funnel builder, if you are a funnel builder or an agency, that is going to be absolutely phenomenal for you. And we know the system's really, really good. We know it. We can do split testing, analytics, everything. So you can offer a fantastic service there for your people. A/B split testing, unlimited members again, unlimited products, unlimited everything pretty much, and up to 400 gigabytes of bandwidth, which is huge traffic to even get near that. So that's the system. And so what's going to be happening now with my Kartra funnels? Well, obviously, I am still very, very dedicated to supporting all of my Kartra funnel clients, and people who are on the Kartra platform, maybe in way deep, and want to stay in it. I wouldn't blame you, at all. So, and I will myself be continuing to use Kartra for some other things. And I may even produce a few more funnels to help the Kartra people, because it is a great platform. There's no 2 ways about it. But my passion lies, and where my future lies, my destiny, if you will, is with this platform. Fast Funnels, I believe, is going to be the absolute best. It's already the best at what it does, but what it does is going to be more extensive. So we're going to be having tons and tons of training free to Fast Funnels members. It's going to be a huge video training area, not just to help you with using the system, but to actually help you with internet marketing. All of my knowledge and skills, how to grow your traffic to your funnels, how to optimize your funnels, all of the stuff I've learned over 19 years of being online and running multiple businesses and selling millions of pounds worth of products and services over that time is going to be there for you to help you. And I may also bring in other experts too, to really make sure that you've got a whole extra amount of support and training for using this system. So we're going to become, a community really of people, entrepreneurs who have got the best system to help market and sell their products and services and the best training and support around it. So that is it. Maybe you can see now why I went a bit quiet. And, this is a lot's been going on in the background. A lot of decisions, big decisions have had to be made. Ultimately, this is the route that I've decided is the best for Fast Funnels, the best for my clients, the best for my people. And so with that in mind, I encourage you to press this button here, go to fastfunnels.com and click on Start Free Trial. You're one of my subscribers. If you're on my list, you are the people that obviously I value so much. And that's why I wanted to make this big, long, open and frank explanation of my decision making, because all this time, obviously, I've been helping you with other things in different platforms. And now I wanted to explain to you why I wanted to go down this route. So if you're already my client, nothing's going to change for you at all. Everything's going to be there. The existing support's going to be there. More funnels may even be there too. But this is the future. And if you want a piece of it, just come and pick any one of these plans. Just start your free trial if you want to up here, or just jump straight in, because as new features are going to be added, I'm not going to be putting the prices up. For you guys, for anybody who joins now, none of these prices are going to be going up for you. So very, very good time to get involved. And let's start building your dreams. All right, that's enough for today. Thank you very, very much for taking the time to watch this. And I will speak to you all soon. Exciting times ahead.